What if I told you that you could build a YouTube channel as a student with no camera, no face, no experience, and no money, and eventually get paid for it? In this video I am going to show you exactly how YouTube monetization works, how long it actually takes, and the honest truth about making money on YouTube as a student. Because I am literally doing this right now. First, let me explain how YouTube actually pays you. YouTube has a program called the YouTube Partner Program. To join it you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Once you hit those numbers you can apply and YouTube will start putting ads on your videos. Every time someone watches an ad on your video you earn money. The amount you earn per 1,000 views is called your CPM. Finance channels like this one have some of the highest CPMs on YouTube, anywhere from $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. That means once you hit monetization even a video with 10,000 views could earn $50 to $150. Here is the realistic timeline for making money on YouTube as a student. Month 1 to 3, you are building your foundation, posting consistently, learning what works, getting your first few hundred views. Most channels get 0 to 50 views per video in this phase. Month 3 to 6, your videos start getting indexed by YouTube search. Views pick up. You might hit your first 100 subscribers somewhere in here. Month 6 to 12, if you have been posting consistently 1 to 2 times per week this is where channels start growing faster. Most student channels hit the 1,000 subscriber milestone somewhere between month 6 and month 12. After monetization, your videos keep earning money forever. A video you posted in month 2 is still earning ad revenue in month 12. Here is how to start a YouTube channel as a student for completely free. Step 1. Pick a niche you know something about. Finance, studying tips, gaming, cooking, fitness, anything. Step 2. Make faceless videos. No camera needed, just your voiceover slides or stock footage. I use Canva to build my slides completely free. Step 3. Record your voice using your laptop mic or phone. Free. Step 4. Upload to YouTube weekly. Consistent uploads matter more than perfect uploads. Step 5. Optimize your titles and descriptions for search. Use keywords your audience is actually searching for. That is the entire YouTube business model. Free tools, consistent posting, time and patience. Here are the fastest ways to grow your YouTube channel as a student. 1. Post YouTube Shorts. Short vertical videos get pushed to massive audiences for free. Cut one 60-second clip from each video and post it as a short. 2. Post on Instagram and Reddit with every video. Free traffic from outside YouTube. 3. Nail your thumbnails. A great thumbnail on a bad video will outperform a bad thumbnail on a great video every time. 4. Focus on search-optimized titles. Titles that match what people are already searching for will get found forever. And here is the thing. YouTube ad revenue is not the only way to make money from a channel. You can earn from affiliate marketing by recommending products in your descriptions. You can sell digital products directly to your audience. You can get sponsorships once you hit a few thousand subscribers. You can offer channel memberships. Most successful student YouTubers actually make more from these sources than from ad revenue alone. The channel is the platform. The money comes from multiple directions. That is how to make money on YouTube as a student. Start a niche channel, post consistently, optimize for search, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. I am literally doing this right now as a student. If I can do it you absolutely can too. Subscribe for more real student money tips every week. Drop a comment below telling me what niche you would start a YouTube channel about. I will see you in the next one.